VR. And so we use the Oculus Rift, and this can show and explore and interact with specific parts of the human brain in virtual reality. Using the Myo armband, you can zoom and rotate the brain using motion gestures. So this is like learning, but in a virtual environment. And another feature of BrainSpace VR is displaying data gathered from the Muse headband, specifically EEG activity.
So what we're all about is representing 3D data in a really user-immersive environment. We use the Myo and the Oculus to interact with the brainwave data. The implications of this is it revolutionizes the education industry. Imagine medical students learning and regurgitating things from a textbook. How boring is that? But imagine interacting with the amazing technology that we have now. And imagine interacting with our 3D brain. So not only does it have educational implications, it also has great medical implications. What we do is we feed in the data from the Muse into our 3D immersive environment, and it allows us to send EEG data that highlights certain parts of the brain. So in medical applications, it really benefits a doctor and a patient, where a doctor can do prognosis of neural disorders and other disorders, and can even show the patient what is actually happening.
So as he said, the medical and educational possibilities are endless. This provides students with both a more accurate and immersive environment to learn from. So like as opposed to a textbook, which only provides 2D drawings that provide no perspective, you get a really nice 3D environment to learn in. We actually had a medical student approach us and tell us that she would much rather learn from this than from the textbook. With further development, BrainSpace will have data and visualizations about the heart, the lung, basically any other part of the human body that we can learn from. This can change the way we learn as well as revolutionize doctor-patient relationships. Thank you.
So much for the opportunity to be able to know our